Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria and today I'm gonna be reacting to Morissette again. Yeah, we are continuing this journey with her, and if you don't like it you can go watch my other videos because she is now part of this channel. We are going to react to every song she did because she is amazing. So yeah, today we are gonna react to a song I don't know if she made the song or if it's just a cover, but I don't know how to read the name of the song. I'm gonna try. So it's Akin. I don't know, I said it with my French accent, so I'm guessing it's not from her native language. I don't know. So we are gonna see what she has to offer us again today. So yeah, just if you want to suggest some other songs so I react to them, you can go to my Patreon if you want your suggestion to be at the top of my list. That means I react to your suggestion first. And if you don't want to, you can just put it in the comment down below and I'll put it on my list and we'll see when we react to it. So yeah, let's start without further ado. Let's go. She's adorable. Like always.
Wish 1075.
Bakit hindi mo maramdaman?
Oh, so
Ikaw sa
soft.
akin ay mahalaga. Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lamang. Paano nga ba't di ko matanggap? At ako pa ba'y iibig?
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Ang dinadasal, nakikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na.
Wow. I'm sorry to pause, I have to. Wow. So first the song is apparently about two friends, and the person who's talking is in love with her friend, but that friend is seeing her like just like a friend, and she can't get herself to accept it. So it's a pretty lyrics, and her voice, I mean, is this new? No, we already know that she is powerful in her own way, and you know, her voice is like a little diamond. It's so pretty, so precious, but at the same time it's so strong you can break it. That's what her voice make me think of. Wow, it's so pretty and soft, and I love this song. We go back.
Kinip lamang, nahahangkat, nayayakap ka. At ako pa ba'y iibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na. Giling
Wait, what? Oh, what did I just hear right now? I'm pretty sure there is only a few people in the whole world that can do that. Wow, that note was so high. How did she... I mean, why am I even asking? We all know she's a genius, but wow, I need to hear that again.
At ako pa ba'y ibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Oh, ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na.
Wish Exclusive on Wish 1075.
Of course, why not? Wow. I'm still wondering why did I never heard of her until you told me about her. I feel a little bit stupid now. I'm glad I know her now. The videos I do about her are like not monetized, so all the money that those videos make with the ads and the views, it all goes I'm guessing to Wish Bus, but I was hoping that money goes straight to her. It's, yeah, I don't know, I feel like she deserves it. Like when people react to her, like, because I mean, they're not monetized, their video is not monetized, and the money goes to the person that the video belongs to. So she deserves that all those reaction videos and all the money they make goes to her to support her. So yeah, she is stunning. And I already said it in the first video I did about her, but the little cries she does, like it's like her voice break a little bit. I love it. It's wow. I always don't know what to say when I finish a video about her. It's like all my words are not enough to express it. Well, so the song was about, like I said, an impossible love, because it's not a mutual love. And yeah, I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this situation. Wow. Yeah, this video goes straight to my playlist. I feel like my playlist is gonna be full of new songs that you suggested, especially Morissette's ones. My god, look, she's so pretty, so, like, she seems so sweet. She has everything to be successful, so I hope she gets everything she deserves. Like in the years, in those years that coming, I hope, like, when we talk about her in 5 years, it's like everybody knows her, like she is one of the world's most known singers' names. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this reaction, and if you liked it, you can like the video, obviously, subscribe to not miss the next one, suggest any other songs, and share your opinions in the comment. And if you, like I said, want the early reaction and want to be first in my list of suggestions, just go to my Patreon. The link is in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one.